So I've got this rather nice Rotel 240 this evening with the factory original mic. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie has made it to the car. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, receiving you loud and clear.
Roger on that. Right, I'm on Rotel 240 today.
Roger that. Right, we're just coming up towards the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at this petrol station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at the crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilford.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner, and this radio is doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Tango 2020 still there?
Yeah, Roger that. When Mr. Kelby turning on the
I don't know, your memory.
Right, now passing the Grayleys.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Now going over Rotel Level Crossing.
Roger got you over Rorsby level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger that. And
Another level crossings available. Yes, we know it's called Grayleys really, but there we are. Yes, so how to work, see to expect it to work, and full 4 watts. It's drawing 1.25 amps for that, which is better than 2.5 amps on some of these new sets. So that can go back to the customer, and no doubt he'll be chuffed. We'll go over to our base station because that's the factory original mic, and I don't think I've ever listened to one before. So we'll see you at the base station.
Tango 21 testing the customer's Rotel RVC240 from 1981 with the factory original microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station.